Health benefits of Kalonji, Nigella seeds. Kalowanji is another name for the spice commonly known as Nigella seeds or black cumin seeds. These small, black seeds come from the Nigella Sativa plant and are commonly used in Indian, Middle Eastern, and North African cuisines to add flavor to dishes such as curries, pickles, and bread. In addition to their culinary uses, Nigella seeds are also believed to have various health benefits and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Top 10 benefits of Nigella seeds. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties, anti-inflammatory effects, which may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and allergies. 2. Antioxidant effects. Nigella seeds are a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. 3. Immune system support. The immune-boosting properties of Nigella seeds may help protect against infections and diseases. 4. Digestive health. Nigella seeds may help improve digestion and alleviate symptoms of digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. 5. Skin health. The essential fatty acids and antioxidants in Nigella seeds may help improve skin health and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 6. Respiratory health. Nigella seeds may help improve respiratory health and alleviate symptoms of conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. 7. Cholesterol management. Some studies suggest that Nigella seeds may help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. 8. Diabetes management. Nigella seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can help manage diabetes. 9. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that Nigella seeds may have anti-cancer properties and may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. 10. Pain relief. Nigella seeds may have pain-relieving properties and can be used to alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and headaches.